AI skill subject for class 9th and 10th is based on experiential learning, that is to learn by giving. So you will be practically doing all the activities to develop your social and technological skills. So here we are discussing our first session on introduction to AI for class 9. AI is a term which fascinates people all over the world. We have been mostly witnessed these science fiction in movies and TV serials. Nowadays, we frequently get to hear the following terms. Is it, children? Most of our smartphones, daily using devices, even internet uses AI. For example, AI helps us to navigate our destination with the help of Google Maps. Identify a person or image in Facebook. Predictive word that we are going to type in Google searches. So here are the some of common examples of AI in our daily today lives. So what is AI? AI is form of intelligence, type of technology, field of study. It is AI. How we can define AI? Artificial intelligence is a technology and a branch of computer science that deals with the study and development of intelligent machines and software. In simple terms also, children. Nowadays, AI is a growing topic, children. Let me discuss about the history of AI. It is not new, children. In 1950, Turing test was done. This was to determine whether the machine is capable to think like human or not. The test process AI. It can mimic human responses under specific conditions. So this is the test was done in 1950. Unimate. In 1961, a industrialized robot was modified that which replaces human. Coming to next, in 1999, Aibo by Sony, a AI pet dog was modified, which it designed for entertainment purpose. Coming to 2011, children, you know about Siri and Google Assistant. Siri for iPhone and Google Assistant for Android. So it uses NLP, that is natural language processing. We can speak and ask Siri and Google Assistant to search particular information or word to move to particular app or anything. So it is so easy to do works in Siri and to work with Google Assistant. Coming to 2019, Oral-B is a AI brush, artificial intelligence brush, which is designed for better brushing. Children, it is connected to a mobile through app using Bluetooth, which guides you how much time you are brushing and everything. Okay, these are the few inventions done in these years. Now come to applications of AI. Military. Yes, children, military also uses AI for detecting high attacks, aiming tankers, and for cyber security. Is it, children? Next, come to healthcare. Yes, hospitals also uses AI. You know, children, so many surgeries are doing by robots, which humans cannot do. So, in hospitals, AI is playing a vital role, children. Yes, come to next, education. You all aware that in every schools, smart boards are using virtual classrooms. These classes are replacing the human teachers. Is it, children? Now, come to aviation. Yes, aviation also uses AI. You know, children, this is used for passenger identification, security, and for weather prediction. Is it, children? For customer support also you will be use AI. These are the some applications of AI. And now come to our AI tree. What are things there in AI tree? Machine learning. For example, we are training machine to identify flavors. So it identifies the particular work. Natural language processing. As we already discussed, like Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa. So we can ask and search for any particular work to done. Speech. By talking, we can convert that content into a textual format like speech to text and text to speech. Next, coming to expert systems. Expert systems in AI helps to take decisions, planning, scheduling, and optimization. We are making the system to plan itself. Coming to the robotics, is all you aware about the robotics? It's playing a vital role in the AI. See, these robotics are replacing humans in so many industries. Mission, image recognition and machine vision. For example, Google Lens. Using a facial recognition, we can unlock our systems. Coming to the next, we will be see a best robots in the world like Sophia. Sophia is a robot used for marketing purpose. Which replaces human. Even this robot got citizenship also. The next one is Festo Octopus Gripper. It may not have any muscle. It is so soft and it is using in so many industries. It will have a small gripper to touch all the things. So now we discuss about applications of artificial intelligence. Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, auto-driven cars, ride-sharing apps like Uber, social networking, e-commerce. In many areas, you'll find AI. Benefits of artificial intelligence. Yes, it has a low error rate. If you code properly, there will be no error. See, it can be affected by hostile environments. For example, in any emergency or any dangerous situation, we will forward robots to identify bombs, or otherwise we'll forward robots to we'll send robots to space to identify the new things like this. Humans may not do repetitive task continuity because the humans can be tired, but robots may not. Predict the word. Yes, for example, in words, in WhatsApp or in Google, if you are typing any word, suppose it will be suggest what the word you are typing will be displayed on the screen. Okay, it can detect the fraud. It can do the fraud and it can also identify. It's a machine. Interact with humans for entertainment. Yes, it entertains us like a pet dog. They can think logically without emotions. And in robotic surgeries, as we all know, the hospitals AI is playing a vital role. And much more. Drawbacks of AI. AI would have a low error rate if it is coded properly. It may cost more money to build and repair it. See, robots are replacing jobs. It makes unemployment. There is no version of creativity. Misuse of technology may be done, and so on. Types of artificial intelligence. We are having two types, type 1, type 2. Type 1, narrow, general, strong. What is narrow? Narrow is a weak AI. It's designed to do only specific task, only particular work. General AI. Smarter, it can think like human being. Coming to strong AI, it can do better than human. It's like a super AI. Now, coming to the next type of AI, type 2. Reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Reactive machines. What is about reactive machines? Reactive machines, in this, they will not store any memory like Google AlphaGo. See, it will be used in board games like this. Coming to the limited memory, it is having a short memory. For example, it be used in self-driven cars. It be stored a destination. After reaching the destination, they may not store the information. Theory of mind. It is like a machine can feel, you'll be having emotions, you can think like human and everything. Actually, it is under development, still yet not completed. Self-awareness, still this is also AI in under development. It can think and emotions, it can take decisions, it is still in developing stage. So children, these are the topics we discussed in this video.